Hi all. Today's topic is all about steps to claim medical expenses in Accenture using Vidal. In one of my previous videos, I have already made a video on health insurance in Accenture, like what are the steps to add the dependents and all those things I have added. But I received a lot of questions and comments in YouTube and Instagram asking me how to claim medical expenses in Accenture. So now in this video, we will cover all these details, guys. So please watch the video till end. Okay, first let us see what are the prerequisites in order to claim the medical expenses. For an employee, the coverage will be by default, right? So you need not add anything in the Accenture. So it will by default give you the coverage. So for your family, okay, family in the sense your spouse and children, you need to do one thing, right? So you need to add them as your dependents, okay? So those process I have already explained in the health insurance video. You can go there and check how to add your dependents. So once you add them as your dependents, they too will get the coverage. Now let us see other family members like your parents or parent-in-laws. Okay. So in order to get coverage for them, you need to add them as your premium. Okay. So if you pay the premium, then only they will get the coverage amount. So similarly to other family members like siblings or any other family members, if you want to get the coverage, you need to pay the premium amount, guys. So if you pay the premium only, then coverage will be added to them. So this is the first prerequisite in order to get your claims, okay, whatever you spend on them. So before getting into other sections, a small request from my side, guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram and ask all your queries whatever you have, and you can subscribe to Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, now let us move to the next section. So in Instagram, all the message requests related to this medical claim, right? So I got on a message like parents eye surgery I need to claim, and some delivery, like if a pregnant lady, she got delivered to a baby, and so she wants to claim that delivery amount, and also some other surgery related message request I have received, guys. So I contacted few of our subscribers. They really helped me in getting to know this process, and I really thank Hashmi. So he had helped me to get to know the process in detail, and some other friends of mine also helped me. So I never claimed any amount when I work in Accenture. So that's the reason I haven't made this video. So in this video I'll just cover the procedure as well. Okay, so these medical expenses can be claimed in two ways, guys. So one is like cashless. Okay, so before your operation or surgery itself, the company or the Vidal insurance and the hospital get tied up, and also they will go through some process, and without paying even a single cash or amount, your operation will be done. So this is what cashless. And second thing is nothing but after surgery or operation, like you will pay the amount, and that amount bills will be there, right? You will submit in the portal or send the documents, and then get that amount, I mean reimbursed amount. So this is the two procedure. Let us go in detail about all these things. So first let us see the cashless procedure. Okay, so in this procedure, right, cashless procedure, suppose you are undergoing the operation or your family member undergoing the operation, definitely they should hold the health card, like e-card will be provided by the Vidal, right? That should be there definitely. So this will be provided once you are adding dependent or paying the premium, then only your family members get these e-cards, and for you it will be there already. So e-card, so this thing is mandatory. And now what you have to do is just contact the Vidal helpline, guys. Like the Vidal customer helpline will be there, right? Please call to them and tell your details that you're working in Accenture and you wanted to undergo this so and so operation, or your family member wants to undergo so and so operation. So now you need to ask them these questions, okay? Or you can even contact your HR and get the Vidal customer care helpline details, or else I'll ping that number in the Telegram channel. Okay, now what you have to ask is, mainly first thing is about the eligibility or the coverage. Okay, how much amount will be covered? Like for an employee they will give by default 5 lakhs, right? So you need to ask, I'm going so and so I'm going through so and so operation, so how much coverage you will provide to me? So if they tell so and so amount will come, suppose 80,000 is operation, and they will tell like 60,000 you will get amount, you are eligible, your coverage, like that means, so you can arrange the remaining amount, right? So this way you can ask for the coverage either for you or else your family members who are going through the operation. You need to ask the eligibility of coverage. So second thing is mainly there will be network hospitals, guys. This may be you may heard this term or else you may new to this term. Let me clearly explain what are network hospitals. So this Vidal or some insurance will be there, right? Whatever insurance, they will have some tie-ups with the hospitals. Okay, so if they have tie-up, then that hospital will be considered as network hospital. So if they don't have any tie-ups, so it will not come under the network hospital. So in order to go with the cashless option, definitely that hospital should be a network hospital, guys. It should have tie-up with the Vidal. Okay, and third thing is you need to ask whether there is cashless option or not. Okay, if there is no cashless option, you need to go with the second option. So if Vidal like customer care, like a helpline, they are telling that there is no cashless option, then once try to check with HR. So then you might get any other option to go with the cashless or not, you can identify. So please check with the HR as well, guys, is there any cashless option available or not. So once you are confirmed with these three things, okay, coverage thing, and whether your hospital that you are going to get operation, that is network hospital or not, and cashless option is there or not, so these three things please check. Okay, so once you are done with these questions with the customer care and clarified with your HR as well, then you can visit your hospital, guys. So where you are getting operation, right? So please visit that hospital, and before your operation itself, right, you can just check with the hospital. So I am an Accenture employee, so my company is tied up with Vidal, so I just wanted to go with the cashless option. So I found that it is a network hospital, like your hospital is under Vidal network itself, so it is a network hospital like that. So that there's some third party will be there in that hospital where it will be tied up with the Vidal or some insurance company, and what they will do is they check like employee details are verified, like they will verify all your employee details, right? You are really an Accenture employee, and all your Vidal details they will fetch, and after that they will do some internal process. Okay, and they will initiate a mail chain to your company or Vidal like that, and that will the completely that will take care by the hospital third party management and your Vidal insurance. And so they will do this process, and after that they will tell you, so we have connected with your insurance and all, and this much amount you will get. Okay, so remaining amount you need to pay, like that they will tell. Okay, whatever amount so total amount we won't get, guys. So some amount will be deducted, right? That amount you need to pay. And second thing you need to remember is after the operation or during operation, they will be giving some medicines to you, right? And some other expenses, whatever it may be, like food or something. So that amount also will not be covered under insurance. So I come to know these things. So from the subscribers, they just told like medicines amount will not be covered under insurance. So you need to do self-pay. Okay, from your hand only you need to give amount for your medicines and some other expenses except the operation or surgery. So for operation surgery, some amount only they will deduct, and remaining amount they will give you. Okay, so this is overall, right, guys. So before operation you can go through the cashless option without paying, and some amount whatever deducted that you need to pay. So this is overall about the cashless option, guys. So where you will have your e-card and you will check with your Vidal support team or your HR, and you will get to know the details, and after that you will visit the hospital and check the eligibilities, how much amount you need to get, and this is how the cashless procedure will goes on. Okay, now let us go through the second one. So in the second process, what we will do is, let us assume your operation is successfully completed, and for the operation you have paid from your hand totally. Okay, and that amount you can claim. Okay, how to get that amount is the second process. Okay, suppose let us you can do the verification also. Suppose you have some operation date next week or next month, so you can just call the Vidal portal and ask your eligibilities, like how much amount the coverage will be you will be getting. So that's your wish. Okay, you can just check with the Vidal thing. And what you do is like, whenever you go to the clinic or a hospital, okay, where you are getting operation, there you will be paying the amount, right, for your operation. So however it is, like check or transaction or whatever. So once you do that payment, please ask them for the medical bills. Okay, whatever bills you paid, just keep all the receipts with you. Please don't delay in getting those receipts, so that receipts will be the main proof in order to get your amount. Okay, so medical bills, whatever you are giving, and amount, and whatever operation related documents, all the bills, please keep in handy. Get documents from them and keep in handy. Okay, once your operation is successful or surgery is successful, then when you are leaving the hospital, suppose you are a pregnant woman and you got delivered, okay, so you will be having the delivery date, right, when that operation is done. So all the dates and timings, so all those details, patient details, everything, please get those documents from the hospital when you are leaving the hospital. Okay, these documents are mandatory. Okay, once you get that documents, right, what you have to do is you need to undergo the claim process. Okay, you need to start your claim process. So claim process can be done in two ways, like in order to get started, like what are the steps you need to do, right? So you can either contact your HR, guys. So first speak with your HR. I've gone through delivery or operation last week, like that, and ask them the steps. Okay, for clear steps I will explain you now in this video, but if you want more details, right, so you can go and contact your HR and get all the details. Or if you want to go with the Vidal portal, okay, Vidal customer care helpline number I'll give you. Okay, I will post it in the Telegram channel if you don't have. Okay, please call them and ask what are the steps, how can I claim my amount which I spent for the operation or surgery, like that. You can call them. Okay, please please go through the Telegram channel. I'll post that number to you. Okay, now let us see the claim process. Okay, what are the steps that you need to do in order to claim? Okay, these steps only, definitely they will also explain, but they can give you more information, guys, like which address you need to send these documents and all those things, right? So those things. Okay, now let us see the Vidal health app. Okay, so this can be accessed via your Accenture laptop, personal laptop, or else your mobile phone also, right? So first, suppose you have opened this app in your mobile, let us assume you will see submit and track claim, right? So please click on that, guys. So once you open that, you will see lot of policies. Okay, so now you need to select your policy, guys. So here I'm selecting OPD, and when I click submit button, I'll be redirecting to this page where it will be showing all like submit whatever you need to submit, and whatever ongoing claim and your history of claims. So everything you will see. Now here I will click on the submit a claim because I've undergone operation, or one of my family members undergone operation, so I need to claim that, right? So now click on this claim button. Okay, once you click on this claim button, you need to select a option, guys. So here you will be getting two options: reimbursement hospital claim submission, and second thing is special benefits claim submission. Here actually I need to select the first option, reimbursement hospital claim, because I have gone through the hospital and I just need to claim that. So my option is the first one, so I'm choosing that. And next you will be having so many details here, guys. You need to fill them out. Okay, the first details are like patient details. So if you are the patient and you have undergone the operation, then you need to fill your details, or any of the family members have undergone, you need to fill their details. Okay, so the next detail is hospital details, guys. So which hospital you have undergone the operation. If it is under out of network hospital, so in your village or hometown, so which is not tie up with Vidal, so that hospital details, everything you need to fill, like whichever operation you have undergone, that hospital. And hospitalization details, so what are the charges, and what operation, what kind of operation, everything, those details you need to fill here. And fourth one is like upload documents. I've already mentioned you to keep all the documents in hand, right? Like whatever documents you have, get it from hospital, right? So those documents you need to upload here, guys. And last one is your bank details, guys. So where you need to get that reimbursed amount, right? So that details, all those details you need to fill. Okay, once you submit it, then you will be getting a reimbursement form, guys. So you need to get this form printed out, and also along with this form, what are all the documents that your hospital have given you, right? So those documents also you need to add. Okay, once you combine all these documents. You need to cover them up in an envelope, guys, because you need to courier these documents. Okay, so why you need to courier means they will verify all these things, so you need to courier to Mumbai office. So you can ask me like what is the exact address where I need to send, which office means. For that details you need to please be in touch with Vidal customer care or HR. They will give you the address details where you have to courier these documents. So okay, once you courier these documents and those documents reached Mumbai office, and they will verify all your documents, guys. So once the documents are verified, it takes no time. Okay, within 10 to 15 days itself, whatever amount you are eligible to get, right, those amount will be credited to your bank account. So some of the folks have asked me whether they will be receiving this reimbursed or claim amount along with the salary. It's not like that, guys. Whenever you submit these documents, I mean you courier these documents to Mumbai, right? So within 10 to 15 days, without any connection with your salary, you will be getting this amount independently. Okay, so no issues with that. And I hope you understood the procedure, guys. I tried to explain you with whatever details I have received from the subscribers and my friends. So hope this video helps you, and if you have any sort of queries, please comment me in the comment section. And if you want to ask me personally, you can follow me on Instagram and update your query over there. I'll be always ready to answer your questions. It may take 1 or 2 days delay or more, but I will definitely respond to you guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, and do like this video if it helps you guys. So follow me on Instagram and subscribe to Telegram channel as well. And thanks for watching this video. Take care.